Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ramesh Kumar. These are my teammates. Our topic is end-to-end software engineering, GMinsta mini social media app. Next, index, introduction, objective, scope of the project, requirements, UML modeling, system architecture, concurrent. Introduction: GMinsta is a mini social media app application allows users to connect and interact. Users can share, post, and view feeds. Supports like comments and messaging. Designed to understand real-world applications, focuses on simplicity and usability. GMinsta is a smaller custom-built version of a social media platform. It is a web-based app where people can create profiles and share content. This project is a part of software engineering course. The goal isn't just to make an app, but to show the team understands how to build a complex system from start to finish, from the design to actual code. Then objectives: develop a simple social media system, enable user registration and login, allow users to create and share posts, provide like and comment features, support messaging between users, ensure user-friendly interface. The objectives are the goals. They describe exactly what the team wants to have to do by the time they are finished, to allow people to securely sign up, log in, create their own personal profiles, to create a system where users can upload post photos, their friends can see them, to build features that let users connect with others, to successfully use different technologies together, the face of the app, the brain and the memory. Further continued by Nikhil HM.
Hi everyone, myself Nikhil HM, and I am going to take the part of called scope of the project. Means what we have done in this project. We develop mini social media applications called GMinsta, and where user registration and secure login system are done. Create, edit, and delete posters can be done here. Upload and view reels and stories and they comment also on the posters and reels, chat with other users, and profile management, view, edit, and posters. They can follow and see the profile and the followers, and search and discover other users. And the next part is let's see. User requirements. There are two majorly functional requirements and non-functional requirements. In functional, user can register and log in. This is the basic requirements to start the using of GMinsta application. User can create, edit, and delete posters. User can upload reels and stories. User can like and comment on posters. User can and also send and receive a message with other for other friends. And non-functional requirements are security, performance, usability, and scalability. Thank you. Next will be continued by Naveen.
So my friends are explaining what are the requirements. So now I am explaining the UML modeling. So first of all, UML full form means Unified Modeling Language. It is a model which is standardized way to visually design and represent a software system before coding, helping to developers and the stakeholders clearly understand how the system works. It acts like a blueprint by using different types of diagrams to describe both functionality and structure. So, for example, use case diagrams show how users or admins interact with the system, such as logins, posting, or managing data. Class diagrams defines the internal structures, including classes, attributes, methods, and relationships. By organizing complex ideas into simple visual forms, UML makes it easier to plan, communicate, and build software efficiently while reducing the confusion and errors during development. In a real world development, UML is often used during the planning and design phases of a project to avoid costly mistakes here. Teams uses it in meetings to discuss system features, divide and ensure everyone from developers to technical stakeholders has a shared understanding of the system. So next part is system architecture. It is continued by Fuzail.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Fuzel. I will explain the system architecture. This diagram shows the overall system architecture of the GMinsta application, which is divided into three main parts: front end, back end, and database. First, front end. It is also called as presentation layer. In this, this is the user interface of the application. It includes mobile app or web apps. User can perform actions like login or sign up, view feed. They can like and comment on posts, send messages to other users, and also they can search the users. The front end sends a request to the backend using HTTP request and receives to the backend using HTTP requests and receives responses in JSON format. The next is backend. It is the application layer. This is the core logic of the system. It processes all user requests. It contains different services like authentication service, which handles login and sign up. Next is user service, which manages user profiles and search. Next, post service. It creates, updates, or deletes the posts. Comment service. Add and view comments. Next is chat service. It sends and receives messages. Notification service handles alerts like messages. It also includes API gateway, which handles requests, and media storage, which stores images and videos. Next is database, which is a data layer, stores all application data. Uh, uh, the collection includes users, posts, comments, messages, stories, or reels. The database used here is MongoDB. Next is external services. It is used to improve functionalities like cloud storage, push notifications, email service, real-time communication, etc. The last is working flow. User interacts here. The user interacts with front end. Front end sends request to backend. Backend process the request. Next, data is stored or retrieved from the database. Response is sent back to the user. This is what we have created. This is our application named GMinsta. Here first we have to log in through the email. After entering our email and password, after entering that email and password, our profile will be opened. Here we can see the post which is done by the others. This is our profile where we can edit and see our followers and follows. These are the posts. This is our profile where we can edit our profile. So, we can see the followers and following. We can set our bio, etc. This is Explore where we can see the posts which are done by the other users. Here we can search the other users, and also we can follow them, message, and can we can see the posts of that. We can chat with them, etc. Next is create. Here we can upload a photo, or we can make videos. After pressing the share button, the image will be uploaded. Here we can like and comment on that. Next is reels. These are the reels which are uploaded by the users. We can also like and comment on these reels. This is a reel which I had uploaded from our classroom. Next is message part. Here we can chat with the other users, like we get the replies and the chats also. Here you can see the conversation. Next, next up, we go to the profile where we can also log out this account. This is all about our application. It works properly. This conclusion, it is a successful developed mini social media app which is named as GMinsta. It implemented features like post, reels, chat, and user profiles. Applied software engineering concepts and system architecture. Gained knowledge of full stack development and database integration. Demonstrated importance of security, usability, and scalability. Overall, it is a built functional and real-world application prototype. Thank you.